Good morning students, welcome back to the class. In last video we have seen that 4 stanzas of the poem of Why. Now today we will start the next stanza. Now he wants to know why fish have gills and why boys cannot fly. Why steams come from the kettle spout and rain falls from the sky. Now all of you know that gills, the body parts of the fish, is called them gills. So with the help of that gills, fish breathe, means take a breathing system is there, depend upon that gills. It is in Marathi called them kalle. So he wants to know why fish have gills. Human being has a nose, yes, we breathe with the help of nose. So just like that fish breathe with the help of gills. Means the respiratory organ of fish. And why boys cannot fly. Each and everyone has seen that birds can fly. Birds can fly. We know about that birds have feathers. Yes, now we know about that birds have feathers. Human beings have feathers. No, that's why we can't fly. So, but that little children ask question to us, why boys cannot fly? Only birds can fly. In that mind, maybe there will be such a type of question will come. Imagine that such type of question in his mind, and he asks us question, why boys cannot fly? Why steam comes from the kettle spout? All of you know that kettle spout? Yes, this is the kettle. Yes, tea there in this pot. So when we will pour the tea, water, anything hot, but hot. When we pour into the cup, what will come from that spout? That is the spout. So what will come from that spout? A steam came from that spout. So why steam comes from the kettle spout? We know the answer, because that is the tea is hot, that water is hot in that kettle. That's why steam came from the spout. But little children don't know about that. That's why he asked the question. And rain falls from the sky. We know about that. Rain falls from the sky. Is it just like is means bottom to top? No, top to bottom. So, and rain falls from the sky. Next question, next stanza. He wants to know why coal should burn. He wants to know why coal should burn and not a bit of stone. How seeds get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. Now all of you know burning system. Wood should burn, yes. So from that wood, what created? Coal is created. And now old time, nowadays very few people are use coal for iron the clothes. Our clothes, iron the clothes. So that person use the old time. That coal, burning coal is used for the iron the clothes. But nowadays electricity is there, electric irons are there. So nowadays no one should use that coal. But he wants to know why coal should burn and not a bit of stone. You have seen that stone start to burning? No. So, and not a bit of stone. So we know that coal is from the wood. That's why burn. But stone is there but no. How seeds get in the apple core? What is the core meaning is there? The center of the fruits. Core means the center of the fruits. It's called the core. So middle part of that. How seeds get in the apple core? Very little seeds are there in the fruits. Any fruits is there. Papaya is there, watermelon is there. Each and every seeds are in the middle of that fruit. So that question came in his mind. How seeds get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. So marrow means a soft fatty and substances in the cavities of the bones. So it is in Marathi called, we call to them shariratil charbi. So that and marrow in the bone. So many questions came in that children's, in that small kids mind. So next question is there, next stanza. He wants to know why I should melt. Melt means solid state to liquid state. Solid state to liquid state. You know that when in our refrigerator freezer ice is there. Yes, when we put the water into the refrigerator, what will be there? Water into solid state means the ice. When we take out the ice from the refrigerator in our temperature, what will be that? Ice start to melt. Ice start to melt. So he wants to know why ice should melt. If that ice get a temperature, so at that time start to melt. Why spiders eat the flies? All of you know spiders. That spiders eat the small flies. That question came in the little children's mind. Why spiders eat the flies only? Why bees should sting and why the yeast should make the dove to rise? See, why bees? All of you know honeybee? That honeybee should sting and collect the honey from the flowers. So why bees should sting and why the yeast should make the dove to rise? Yeast means fungus. Yeast means fungus. It helps to ferment. Bread, all of you know that bread, pav, all these things. So it helps to ferment. Now that bakers use yeast. Why bees should sting and why the yeast should make the dove to rise. And that yeast helps to rise the dove. So some of his whys, last stanza of the poem, some of his whys are not too hard. So many whys means so many. See here, whys, W-H-Y, so many whys are not too hard. Each and every whys are hard to give answer? No, we can easily give the answer to that whys. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. If we decide that to give the answer of that little children's, that curiosity of that children's minds, so at that time we should give the answer of that questions. That why is the answer. But other no one ever ate. Still, see, but other no one ever ate has found the reason why. But still we didn't get the answer. That question, why questions will come in that children's mind. Understood that, right? Why that children ask us question. Such we didn't get the answer of that question. आतापर्यंत या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर सापडलेलं नाही की या मुलांच्या मनात प्रश्नच निर्माण का होतात. Because we know the answer is because of the curiosity. Because of the curiosity, he wants to learn something. That's why he asks us questions. So all of you, all my students, all of you understood that the very simple poem, so many questions are there in the curious mind of that little boys. The little boy is very curious about the each and everything. That's why he asks us questions and he wants to learn something. He wants to learn from that his questions and not trouble to us. So in this way, very simple poem is here. So all of you read this poem. Okay, students.